Hello everybody and welcome to the journey of learning English. Welcome to my class. This is your journey of learning English. Today we are going to practice the pronunciations of be going to. Be going to. We use be going to plus the base form of a verb to talk about plans or intentions and to make predictions. In today's video, we are going to practice using be going to in sentences. We are going to take a look at how we use be going to in full form and in short forms. So the full form of be going to and the short form of be going to. And how to say them correctly in English. So I will also show you how be going to is commonly used in informal spoken English. Alright, now let's get started. Be going to. So remember be, remember that be in English, be, you're going to have am, is, or are, right? So in the sentence, you start with subject, then plus am, is, or are, right? So here, you can see, I am, you are, we are, they are. Okay? He is, she is, it is. I am going to, you are going to, we are going to, they are going to. So after the going to, you're gonna need, you will need one verb. You must have a verb, Here. He is going to, she is going to, it is going to. Alright, so these are the full form of be going to. Alright, the full form of be going to. I am going to, I am going to. You are going to, you're going to. We are going to, we're going to. They are going to, they're going to. He is going to, he's going to. She is going to, she's going to. It is going to, it is going to, it's going to. So I am, I'm, you are, you're, we are, we're, they are, they're, he is, he's, she is, she's, it is, it's. Alright? Now let me give you example sentences. I am going to study English every day. I'm going to study English every day. You are going to take a test. You're going to take a test. We are going to study abroad. We are going to study abroad. They are going to get married soon. They're going to get married soon. He is going to make a lot of money. He is going to make a lot of money. She is going to make a business. She's going to make a business. It is going to rain. It's going to rain. All right. Now, so you can see the full form and the short form of be going to. Okay, so this side is the full form, and this side is the short form of be going to. Remember that you're gonna need a verb. You're gonna need a verb after going to. Okay, verb, one verb. You need one verb. You cannot make sentence with. You cannot make a sentence with be going to without verb after to. You must need a verb here. All right, and the going to is commonly used as gonna. All right, gonna. Gonna. So going to in spoken English and in informal spoken English, it is usually used as gonna, 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 or gonna, gonna, gonna. Gonna. It can have 3 pronunciations and it's a little bit different. Depends on the regions that people use English. Okay, you can pronounce it gonna, 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 or gonna, gonna, or gonna, 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 gonna. Right. I am going to. I'm gonna. You are going to. You are gonna. We are going to. We are gonna. They are going to. They are gonna. He is going to. He is gonna. She is going to. She's gonna. It is going to. It is gonna. Gonna. Alright. I'm gonna. I'm going to. You're gonna. You're going to. We're gonna. We're going to. They're gonna. They're going to. He's gonna. He's going to. She's gonna. She's going to. It's gonna. It's going to. Alright? So practice this and your pronunciations will improve a lot. Practice again and again. You will be able to speak English confidently, clearly, and naturally. So this is the end of this video lessons. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Click like and comment. Thank you everybody. Goodbye. See you again in my next video lessons. Good luck.